FC01 12:14 p.m. rear camera soldering/tag-on operation video. Note: unbinding the rear camera code of the phone is necessary before repairing rear camera. Support to capture rear camera code by original rear camera unbind and scan unbind. Original rear camera unbind only can be operated once. Support to capture it by unbinding via flashing. Tag-on operation. Remove the original rear camera, buckle AS rear camera tag on FPC, buckle it on FC01. Click Cloud Burn. Write the backed up original camera data. Install the camera module with well-written data. The camera operates normally. No pop-up window repair is done. Soldering operation. Remove the original wide-angle FPC manually. Solder AS repair FPC. Write the backed up original camera data. Install the camera module with well-written data. No pop-up window repair is done.